Okay, today we're diving into my two absolute favorite topics to talk about: digital products and passive income. I basically get giddy anytime I get to nerd out about these two subjects because selling digital products online is how I've earned the majority of my income over the past 4 years and average over $25,000 per month in passive revenue. Yep, I said passive. That means that I did the work once up front to create these digital products and then set them up with an automated system to basically sell themselves even when I'm not actively working. This kind of business is pretty awesome because it means you don't have to store any physical inventory and you don't have to physically fill or ship any orders. All your products are digital and can be instantly delivered to your customer right after they make the purchase. And the best part is it doesn't require any money to start. You can literally start with $0 up front and get your side hustle going right away. So in this video, I'm walking you through it all: what types of digital products you can sell, how to create them, where to sell them, and how to automate the entire process to earn passive income. Let's get it. So first off, let's talk about what a digital product is and what types there are. Simply put, a digital product is just any type of product that is sold and delivered digitally rather than physically. When a customer orders a digital product, they're not receiving any type of physical or tangible item. They're receiving a digital file or link. Now, within the broad category of digital products, there are tons of different types of digital products and lots of different subcategories underneath this. For instance, printables are a type of digital product that are really popular. And again, even the sub-niche of printables has a really wide variety of specific types underneath it. You could be creating and selling printable wall art. You could be creating and selling printable invitations for parties or events. Those are both considered printables. Then you've also got the niche of templates. Lots of different types of templates out there as well. People buy digital templates for all kinds of things because they don't want to have to start from scratch. They want a starting point for something like a slide deck presentation, a bundle of social media posts, or even marketing materials. Another type of digital product you can sell, which is one of my absolute favorites, is an online course. As the world turns more and more digital, people are loving being able to learn things online, get an education online specific around a targeted subject or topic. We'll dive more into this in just a minute, but there are so many different types of digital products you can sell. These are just 3 examples, but I have a whole master list of different types of digital product ideas. So if you're interested in selling digital products, definitely click on the link I have in the description box below to grab that. It's a completely free download for you just to give you a spark of inspiration and get the wheels turning as far as what types of digital products are out there and what might be the best fit for you to sell. Now, once you know what type of digital product you're going for, the next thing you'll need to figure out is where you're going to create it. There are many different online tools you can use to create digital products, and it really depends on what type of digital product you decided on. That's going to inform the tool or software you're going to use to create it. If you're going the route of those first 2 I mentioned, something like a printable or a template, you could use the industry standard tools of Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. Those are really robust softwares, but they do come with a price tag, and we want free as much as possible. So when you're first starting out, my absolute favorite tool that you can use completely for free is Canva. Canva not only has a super beginner-friendly drag and drop editor, so you don't need graphic design experience, but it also has a library of millions of elements, photos, graphics, and fonts you can use at no extra charge. It also has powerful AI tools that can help you generate graphics, photos, videos, and even generate written copy in your own brand voice. There are so many different things you can do with Canva, and it really is very user-friendly. So I highly recommend you check that out for starting to create your digital products. Now, like I mentioned, you can use Canva completely for free on the free plan, but they also have an upgraded Canva Pro plan that'll give you access to additional fonts, elements, graphics, photos, and some more advanced capabilities. So if you think you might want to try out that next level, I have a free 30-day Canva Pro trial linked in the video description box below. That'll let you try it out completely for free for 30 days. And if you think it's a good fit, you can continue using it from there. At the time of filming, if you sign up for the annual plan, it equals out to just about $10 a month, which I think is really reasonable for everything you can do on the platform. Now, like I mentioned, Canva is a great tool to create things like printables and templates, but if you're going more the route of creating and selling a digital course, you're likely going to need to film videos. Now, there are several different options when it comes to videos, so don't freak out thinking, oh, I don't want to be on camera, I don't want to show my face. it's totally possible to create a faceless online course that still delivers tremendous value. Now, if you do want to be on your videos and you're fine with showing your face on camera, you can do mostly talking head style videos that's sort of like this, where I'm just talking straight to the camera. But if you don't want to show your face, you can always create videos that are screen recordings, either of yourself demonstrating like I'm doing here, explaining whatever the topic is or the thing that you're working on to show your students, or you can even create slide deck presentations and do a screen recording as you present and talk through your slides. Again, Canva is a great place to create slide presentations like this. They have tons of free templates you can use, so you don't have to start from scratch. You can literally go in there and just plug in the things you want to create the presentation. Now, no matter what format you use for your videos, you're likely going to need to do some editing afterward, which you can do easily with the free iMovie app. Again, lots of editing software options, but if we're wanting free and easy to start, this is the one I started with when I first dipped my toes into starting to create videos for YouTube and my online courses. And I found it pretty easy to learn, even when I had no editing experience. So after you film and edit your videos, you're going to want to create some support documents to go along with your lessons inside your course. These can be things like guides, checklists, cheat sheets. These are downloadables that you're going to put along with your videos inside the lessons to further support your students. And again, Canva is an amazing place to create these downloads. You can save them as PDF files and then just easily upload them into the lesson along with your video. So you've got your lessons filmed, edited, you got your support documents created. So you might be wondering, well, where do I actually house the course itself? There are many great course hosting platforms out there like Teachable or Teachery, but my personal favorite and the one I've always used is Kajabi. So this is one of my courses that I've built out with Kajabi, Digital Products with Canva. This is what it looks like from the student's perspective. You can see all of the different modules here that you can click into and then see all of the lessons that go along with that module. And you click on one of the lessons. You can see I've got the video here that they can play along with some text description and some support downloads. But if I go and show you on the back end in Kajabi, this is where I have built it out. You can see all of the different modules here. And if I expand, you can see each different lesson. So if I'm wanting to edit one of my lessons, this is where I can upload a new video, edit the text, choose if I want students to be able to leave comments on the videos, add support download files, create automations. There's so much you can do within Kajabi for building out a course. And I could continue to add more content in the form of modules or lessons and use Kajabi to even build out my offers and checkout pages and sales pages. So for instance, this is my long form sales page for my Digital Products with Canva course that shows those who might be interested in purchasing what all is included in the course. Has fun things like mock-up images, student testimonials. So I built this whole page out inside of Kajabi. Kajabi is my favorite tool for my business that I'm literally in every single day, building out digital products like courses, coaching offers, community groups, digital downloads. And I love it because not only can I host all of these digital products here and build out web pages and my full website, I also use it for all of my email marketing and pretty much everything else for my business. So if you think you'd like to try out Kajabi, I've got a free 14-day trial link in the description box below that'll give you 14 days on Kajabi completely for free. You can start even building out your course within those 14 days to get a head start and see if it's a good fit for your business. Now that link I have in the description box below is an affiliate link. That means that I get a portion of your monthly payment if you do decide to continue using Kajabi beyond the free trial. That's at no extra cost to you, but is a great way to support our channel, which we're super grateful for. And as a thank you, when you sign up with that free trial link, you can email us at kate@kate-hayes.com. Let us know you used our link to sign up, and we'll immediately send you our extra free mini course, Kajabi Perfect, which is where I walk through the entire Kajabi platform, showing you all of the different tools and features and capabilities, so that if you're just starting your Kajabi journey, you know how to access everything, how to navigate everything, and have a head start with using this amazing tool. So again, all you need to do is use that free trial link in the description box below to sign up. Email our team at kate@kate-hayes.com. Let us know you signed up for Kajabi using our link, and we'll get that mini course sent right over to you. Okay, so you've now decided on the digital product type you want to sell. You've gotten it created. Now the question is, where do you sell it? There are two main options here. The first is to sell on a marketplace like Etsy or Creative Market. The advantage here is that it's an easy and quick setup, and you've got the benefit of the built-in organic audience of millions of shoppers who are always going to those platforms. They may not know about your shop, but they go there because they shop on Etsy all the time. So you're more likely to be discovered organically by someone who's never even heard about you without you having to first find that person. But there's a second option here, which I personally really love, and this is selling direct to your audience through your email list. The reason I love this is because research has shown time after time that email converts at a much higher rate than other platforms like social media. Now, this does require that you're going to have to put in a little bit of effort to grow your own audience and start building that email list, which means you're getting subscribers opting into your list. But once you do, you've got a direct line of communication with people who have said, yes, I'm interested in what you have to offer. I want to see your products. And you can reach them directly every time without having to worry about things like algorithms changing and wondering if what you're putting out there is going to land in front of them. So our goal here is to build an email list of subscribers and then consistently reach out to that list while we're both serving our people and offering our products. So the first step in this whole process is to start getting in front of your ideal customer, the people you want to eventually opt into your email list, by creating shareable and valuable content that's going to solve a problem for your ideal customer or provide value in some way for them on a platform like YouTube, Pinterest, or Instagram. Now, I'm a big fan specifically of YouTube and Pinterest because they are search engines. This is different than a purely social media platform like Facebook or Instagram, because on YouTube and Pinterest, people have search intent. They're coming specifically onto that platform because they have something that they want to search for, they need an answer for. And so you can easily provide content that's going to serve as that answer or solution they're looking for and find the person that your product is going to appeal to. The way this works is that the searchable and valuable content that you're sharing on these platforms is around the same topic or niche as the products that you're offering. So for instance, if I'm offering business-related printables for business owners as my paid product, the free content that I'm going to create and offer on one of these platforms is going to be around business. So it's attracting the same person that's eventually going to hopefully be interested in purchasing my paid offer. Now, the next step in the process, once I start creating and sharing this valuable and helpful content, is to create a lead magnet. This is a freebie I'm going to be offering to people in exchange for them signing up to my email list. It's pretty rare these days for people to just say, yep, sign me up for another email in my inbox. People are not wanting to receive any more emails unless there's something in it for them, a reward or an incentive. This is where your lead magnet comes in. There are lots of different types of lead magnets, but this could be something like a downloadable guide that walks them through a certain process that helps them. It could be a downloadable checklist for a specific topic that they're needing guidance on. A lead magnet could even just be a simple coupon code for their next purchase, but it's something that you're offering for free for them to sign up to your email list. Now, if you're like, I have no clue what this lead magnet could be for my niche, I've got you covered. I've got a whole list of 38 different lead magnet ideas linked in the video description box below, so that again, you never have to feel stuck on this. You can look at that list and decide what might be the best fit for you, and go ahead and create that lead magnet and start to share about it with the audience you're building on the platform we talked about before. Now, you're going to build out a simple landing page. This is not a full website. It's just one simple landing page with one simple form that someone who wants to join your email list can sign up for by putting in their name and email address and saying, send me the free thing. Now, you can build out this landing page with your email service provider. Again, I use Kajabi because it's an all-in-one platform where I can do everything I need for my business, and I love using it for email marketing and building out these types of landing pages. But if you're not at the level yet where you want to try something quite as robust as Kajabi, you could start free and easy with one of my other favorite tools, Kit. This was formerly known as ConvertKit, but they've got lots of amazing, beautiful templates you can use for building out things like landing pages. So I've got a link for you in the video description below if you're interested in trying out Kit for free. Now, the other thing you're going to use this email service provider for, whether you choose Kit or Kajabi or a different platform, is you're going to set up an automated welcome sequence. This is a sequence of, I like to do 5 emails. It's really up to you how many you do, but a sequence of multiple emails that are set to go out on certain days after the person joins your list. The purpose of this sequence is to welcome them to your email list, to remind them, give them some context about how they got on your list, to serve them, providing value, education, over-deliver in those first few emails to get them used to really enjoying opening your emails, loving reading it, knowing that there's high value in your emails. And then towards the end of the sequence, you're going to start talking about your paid products and offers so that they know what's available to them. Both Kit and Kajabi give you the ability to automate a sequence like this, so you can say, hey, when someone joins my list, I want you to send them an immediate email the moment they join, and then send them email number 2 on day 2, email number 3, maybe on day 4, email number 4 on day 6. You can do it however you want. But again, I think a great range for this is a 5 to 7 email sequence. Now, Now you can write these emails from scratch, but if you need a little bit of help, this is where AI comes in again. You can easily use ChatGPT, give it a little context about what type of business you have, who your ideal customer is, who it's speaking to, and ask it to generate a 5-day welcome sequence for you that would provide value and education for your people and present some of your paid offers. Of course, you can always use what ChatGPT gives you and refine it and make it your own, but that's a great starting point to make use of AI in building out this welcome sequence. Now, your email marketing doesn't stop when someone is finished going through your welcome sequence. That's just the beginning, but you want to make sure that you have a regular cadence and rhythm of reaching out to the people on your email list, whether that's once a week, once every 2 weeks, but you want to have them used to regularly hearing from you, whether it's a serving email where you're just giving them content and value, or whether it's an ask email where you're giving them an offer of some sort. But again, remember, email is consistently proven by research to have a much higher click-through and conversion rate than social media. So 10 out of 10 times, I'm putting my effort into email versus social media if I've got to choose one or the other. And this is why I absolutely love this business model, because you do the work to get everything set up once up front, and then once that's done, it can become automated where you're not having to manually fill the orders for your digital products that are coming in. It's all automated, it's all digital. This is an amazing way if you're interested in earning passive revenue to build a more passive digital product business versus an active business. Once you've got everything set up, then really your only continuing active work is to provide that valuable content on whatever platform you've chosen to continue driving traffic to your lead magnet. Once they opt in for the lead magnet, they're in the funnel and everything else is automated. So remember, you can click the link in the description box below to grab your free list of 38 lead magnet ideas. And also while you're down there, go ahead and grab that free master list of digital product ideas as well to help you figure out what type of digital product you might want to sell. Talk soon, friends.
I don't know if you know yet. I've tried sometimes.